The next generation of smart cooking is here. This is Mover's Smart Kitchen, appliances that work harder for you. We provide you with a smarter kitchen in a safer home using up-to-date technology. First, we have the Mover's Smart Gas Hob. It comes with an electric ignition, ergonomically designed for convenience with a single hand control. The flame will be ignited with simply a push and a turn on the knob. However, what makes this a smart hob is when you jump over into the iAppliances app. Here, there is a timer control where you can set a cooking time for individual burners. You can also remotely monitor the usage as it will reflect the live flame status. And with a touch of a button, you can turn off all burners remotely, ensuring peace of mind for you and your family members. In every kitchen, a reliable and efficient hood is a must-to-have. Mover's Smart Hood works hand-in-hand with the Smart Hob by creating a smart automation system within the iAppliances app. Therefore, when your hob is switched on, the hood will turn on automatically. Another smart feature that the hood has is the reminder for filter cleaning. Never worry about forgetting to clean your filters again. Next, we have Mover's Smart Oven for baking lovers. It can be integrated with your Google Home system, has 11 cooking functions, and intuitive touch control with an LED display. It can even store your favorite recipes for easy automated use. You can forget about your recipe book. Lastly, safety is our top priority here at Mover, which is why we have the gas and smoke detector to protect your household from any potential hazard. Once it detects any gas leak or smoke, all kitchen appliances will shut off immediately. Now you can be rest assured that your family and loved ones will be safe from fire hazards at home. So if you're looking to protect your loved ones while enjoying a better cooking experience, choose Mover, smart kitchen appliances for a smarter and safer home.